In the heart of Kabul stands a mosque where history, bravery, and beauty unite, the legendary Shah-e Do Shamshira. Shah-e Do Shamshira Mosque in Kabul was built in the 1920s by King Amanullah Khan during his modernization efforts. Shah-e Do Shamshira means King of Two Swords, honoring a commander remembered for fighting courageously with two shining swords. This mosque is not only a religious center, but also a cultural icon where Kabul's history, faith, and architecture meet. The mosque stands on a sacred shrine site, preserving Kabul's Islamic history and memory of late Ibn Qais's bravery. Situated in District 2 beside Kabul River and Shah-e Do Shamshira Bridge, it remains a bustling, accessible landmark for everyone. Inspired by Istanbul's Ortaköy Mosque, its Afghan Baroque design blends European elegance with Islamic tradition, making it uniquely eye-catching and grand. Recent renovations revived its cellar facade and detailed stucco, ensuring worshippers enjoy both beauty and spiritual peace in every prayer. On Fridays, vibrant crowds, vendors, and worshippers create unforgettable scenes with the mosque glowing proudly against Kabul's majestic mountains.